Hi, my name is Richard Kehoe and I'm the show producer and president of the world's largest motorcycle show. We're so happy to have this show again. It's almost 500,000 square feet. If you're interested in motorcycles, come on down. If you own a bike, you're gonna have so much fun down here. There's so many things to do. There's so many new motorcycles. We have used motorcycles, there's vintage motorcycles. We have a whole hall dedicated to it, and we also have a lot of rides, rallies, places where you can ride your motorcycles. It's a real great time. It's a real family event, so there's a lot of events that we have here. We take a lot of pride in. We have numerous freestyle shows. We have motocross bikes that will be backflipping all day long. We have the Yamaha factory, Yamaha twin stunt team coming up from Wisconsin, and they actually front roll their motorcycles. It's pretty crazy to watch, but it's a lot of fun. There's also the Harley-Davidson stunt crew, and they're in Hall 5 with and they have a great show. That happens 3 times a day as well. And there's also, we have Canada's largest custom motorcycle show here, where bike builders from across North America come. They all compete for $50,000 in cash and trophies. So that's really exciting. You can see the best of the best bike builders in North America right here on this weekend. There's a lot to do, but I did leave out one thing. We're really proud of this one. We have the massive wall of death. This is where 2 motorcycles at a time go round and round in a circle all the way up to the top. We got a big viewing platform that you can go up and look down at these guys doing this.
Here he comes up to the top. This is my oldest son, ladies and gentlemen. This is Cody I, and we're watching him ride. Start coming back down. There you go, just like that. That's what you want to do, just like that. We're going to come up there and take that money right out of your hand. All ride the motorcycle 25 miles an hour. Slow it long way, stick between 2 fingers, and hold your arm all the way out as far as you possibly can. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you see, show some love. It does not matter. Ladies and gentlemen, have some fun with it because he wants to have some fun with you. Here he goes one more time. Just pile eyes and watch him ride. so much for coming up and watching our show. This is our first experience right here in Canada, and it was a great one.
And that's also happened. That happens 5 times a day. You won't be disappointed. There's more gear, there's more things to see here than any other bike show in North America, period. You'll have a great time. Please come down and visit us. We're going from January 5th to 7th, and you can visit us online, and you can purchase your tickets at the door, or you can purchase online at motorcycle supershow.ca. And remember, parking is always free at the International Center.